to my channel or back to my channel. And I want to make it very clear, this is an unboxing of the Google Pixel 7a. This isn't a review or a setup, just a flat out unboxing experience. So yeah, this is actually one of my family members' phones. Well, we just got it today. Google Pixel 7a, hashtag Team Pixel. It says in the box, so I got my camera up here. This is the charcoal version, 128 gigs, which is all it comes in. But yeah, sorry about this shadow. It's pretty bad. It's I got a lamp right over there. So yeah, let's get to unboxing. So there are these two peel tabs. Paper. Very Apple-like, I gotta say. I don't not like it. I like it. Could be like an ASMR video. Okay. That's a very good opening feeling. Okay, so let's just stand up. Here's this guy. Okay. Those are the white things. I didn't think those are just like from the box. Yeah. Wow. I've never, well, no one in my family has actually ever owned a Google Pixel. This is an exciting new experience, isn't it? So the phone's pretty heavy. I forget exactly how big it is. But yeah, it's got a little, just like Apple, but Apple doesn't use these little marks. No, actually, I think they do on their newer phones. They have power and volume. But I think that's it. They don't have fingerprint charger or SD, or SIM cards slot, sorry. So put this over here to the side. We've got our charger, which feels really good in the hand. It almost feels like a little bit thicker than an Apple cable, like USB-C to Lightning. This is USB-C to USB-C, because the phone charges with USB-C. The thing that I really like about these Pixels, and that I forgot they came with, is, let me adjust my light, this guy. So this is a USB-A, or your normal USB, to USB-C. So basically how you do it is you plug this end into the phone, in the frame, and then your old phone's cable end of the cable plugs in here. That's how you physically connect the two phones. And in here, let's see, we got a slot to take out our SIM card. And I'm pretty sure it's just paperwork. Yeah, it's just paperwork. So let's put this stuff back and take off the screen protector. Wow, that was the best peel. Let's try it again. Not as good as that after you do it once. We can turn it on just for fun. So I'll just hold on the power button right here. Could be dead too. Yeah, I think it's dead. Dang, that sucks. Oh, there it goes. Yes. You have to press and release. I guess you don't just hold it. So that's interesting. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but this phone's pretty bright. I don't know if it's just on my iPhone screen or what. So it's got a little loading bar. You have the hole punch for the camera. Welcome to your Pixel. So we're gonna shut you down. Power off. Yeah, I like the haptics, the vibration. It's very nice and clean. Well, guys, I will come back probably with a video on this. You know, it's my family members, not mine. But all in all, that was the unboxing. See you guys soon.